awkward with you in the background. I'm like talking to myself.
Just talk to yourself.
Okay. Long time since I made a video, especially on this channel. This week's topic is just to update you guys on our lives, so yeah. You can see I dyed my hair. Yeah. Half brown and then half red. The red is over here. I get confused in this video. Yeah. I'm gonna be getting my nose pierced hopefully today, so I'll make another video on my channel. Hopefully of me getting it pierced, that would be on my channel. So yeah. I've been going to lots of shows, and that's Cassie. She's gonna be in a lot of my videos on my other channel and sometimes in these. Yeah. So yeah, I've been going to a lot of soonc shows lately. Been working with a lot of bands. I might be getting a job as a photographer at a rave place thing at events and stuff. So we'll see. Or I might be working with my crush's band. His name is Oscar. And yeah, he wants me to be his photographer for his band. Yeah. I look like crap right now, but yeah. I've been really lacking on videos because a lot has been going on in my life with drama and stuff. Just yeah, and I am officially a 10th grader in high school, so that's cool. But I will try to make a video every single week on this channel and my other channel. I will try. And if you have my Vine, you can go on that because I post videos of myself and Cassie and us at shows, and I post just different stuff. It's yeah. I'm really bad at making videos. You're just like staring at me. Oh, and we pierced her other side of her snake bites. We have a video, but it's like that one. Yeah. So. And my teeth has gotten whiter. Yeah, I'm stupid, but yeah.
Like you said, teeth. Your teeth has gotten whiter.
Yeah. I'm gonna be going to makeup school soon, so, but not actually school. I'm gonna go to the online courses first, and then I'm gonna go to the one-on-one classes. So I just need to get a job so I can get $800 to start my classes. Yeah, for my makeup school. I have a show this weekend, Somo. I'm gonna go see We Butter the Bread with Butter. I don't know, I love that freaking name. It's just hilarious. Oh, and I got the new freaking update on my phone. I really like it. It's so freaking awesome. Yeah. But I will make a what's on my iPhone thing today. I'll make that. Can you not? My phone likes to talk to me, so yeah. I will definitely make what's on my iPhone. Austin Carlisle was on it, but yeah. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm turning 16 in 6 months and hopefully having a house show for my birthday, having my friends' bands play and stuff like that. You can comment below on questions because we might have a question and answer videos next week. So yeah, I'm gonna post asking for questions everywhere, so it's gonna just be on YouTube. You can ask me on YouTube, on our page on Facebook, or on my private page, or on my Twitter, or any of my sites. So I'll post all those links and stuff. And just Cassie's being weird in the background.
I'm just
So,
here.
yeah, she's just here. So let's hope that I'm getting my piercing today. It's gonna hurt like a bitch, but yeah. I'm a big pussy about freaking piercings. But yeah, that's my update on my life. There's not my I'm really boring. I have a boring life, so if you guys can give me ideas on videos I should do on this, or videos on my channel, and videos like ideas for like topics of the weeks for this channel, that'll be freaking awesome. So I know no one really watches my videos, so yeah. Talk to you guys later. Bye.